I have launched my platform for learning JavaScript to become a web developer. So in this platform, what you can do is that you can choose your own kind of learn, where the grind one is the most difficult one, where it has like more questions than the others. It has a less time per question on each quiz. So let's start by chill. And as you can see here, we are in the dashboard and we can have like tutorial, practice, we have project, have quizzes. Each tutorial is connected to the quiz here, but you can take the quizzes by themselves if you don't want to. If you have like some prior knowledge and want to test your skill, you can just enter quizzes and try it out. Anyway, we go into tutorial, and here we have like everything you need to become a web developer. Right now it has some Node.js tutorial, and it has CSS, HTML, it has fundamentals for JavaScript, we have some manipulation, we have GitHub, we have object-oriented programming, and we also have a study plan for you with a roadmap on each part. And here each part has like CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and in each tutorial you have a code editor you can follow, like you can write code here and execute it just like here. As you can see, it's getting executed in the base, and even in CSS you can run CSS code. Like here, if you change the color to red, you can see the changes instantly, as you can see. That's that way you can learn while you are reading the tutorial. It's gonna be interesting. Here we can add like our, as you can see, everything gets executed directly, and you can learn while you are reading the tutorial, which is the great part about it. You can switch to HTML tab and see the code for the HTML, and you have the preview here, and you will learn how to style website, so you would feel confident while you are building your website. All you need to do is create an account. You have free tutorials to learn from, and you're gonna learn a lot of important things in here, and it's more organized way to learn. And it's gonna get extended with more tutorials and resources that can help you learn everything you need to get a job as a web developer. What are you waiting for? www.5-2-crack.com and join, create an account, and start learning web development today. I'm gonna see you there, and you're gonna get certificates with things that you have completed, and you have a social page where you can add friends, or friends can add you, and you can see their activity here if there is anything that they have done or complete. And in the project tab, there's not much to it. Still in development. I want to make it a little bit more interesting, and there are algorithm challenges that you can try out, but I'm not really focusing so much on algorithms because I think learning the basics of them is enough. Just the most common one I think is enough, but grinding algorithms like people tell you is not really important. Just having a deep understanding of each algorithm and what it does, that's the most important part. And for the pricing, you have Vibe plan where you have access to most of the tutorials, but not the very advanced one. And the cracked one is the one for the absolutely cracked people out there who want to learn like everything in web development. And I also made it free almost to people that can't afford it. So if you want to learn, you can click here and you can fill out a form, and maybe you'll get accepted. I don't know. Try it. And that's it. You can cancel your membership anytime you want. It has automatically a 1 week free trial. And yeah, that was it for me for today. Hopefully you guys will like it.